colleagues, members-elect, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I am Mohammed Umar Bago. I represent the people of Chanchaga Federal Constituency and from Niger State. The clerk, I accept this nomination from my colleagues and I so accept. I didn't want to say more than this, but I just wanted to make a comment. This aspiration is not an ambition for Bago, but an aspiration of a generation, of a people who have brought to the table to make what we have today as a government a fruition. This aspiration is guided by the constitutional provision of this country that power, offices should reflect federal character. As such, honorable colleagues, we are here as representatives of our people. We've been sent here to represent our people. Equity, fairness, justice. This is what this aspiration stands for. Thank you. As so as.
Thank you very much.